So I'll be showing you how to unlock locked apps on your iPhone. So let's say you had locked an app like Chrome, for instance, so that it only requires, it always requires Face ID or passcode to launch. So to unlock that app so that it's no longer protected by Face ID and passcode, just long press on the app icon, and from the menu that pops up, tap on Don't Require Face ID. Now keep in mind that as soon as you tap this, it's gonna scan your face to make sure you're the one or it's the person who locked that's actually unlocking the app. So tap on Don't Require Face ID. It's gonna do a quick scan of your face, and then that app is now unlocked. So now even if my face is not there, that app, as you can see, has been unlocked. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.